For implementation methods, typically you would refer to policies or procedures which describe in more detail how a particular control is implemented. But in some cases, you can actually write down simply which kind of technology you're using or which kind of process you're using within statement of applicability. And this is usually done in cases if this description is very short. Because if you have a longer description, then it's better and easier to create a document around it. Now, this doesn't mean that you will create a document separately for each and every control, especially if you are a smaller company. This is not something that would be recommendable. So for a smaller company, you would typically have one document covering several controls. And for implementation method, you might also write particular tasks for particular people in your company. So let's say that we mark this control change management as applicable. And Conformio automatically suggests these security procedures for IT departments as a document through which change management will be defined. If you do not want this document, you simply delete it. And then you can add, let's say, a task for a particular person on what needs to be done. So for example, approve all changes to production systems through Jira. And you have to assign it to someone, add a description if you want, and save it. And this way, this task will appear in Conformio for this particular person on his or her to-do list. Or if you do not want a task, you can simply add a textual description. For example, here, you simply write all changes to production systems must be approved through Jira, add, and then this is your implementation method.